language actually follows a process for anyone who wants to learn. You have to start with the alphabet of English language, the letter A to Z. Then you move to pairing it, which is sounds. You move to sounds combination, which is construction of words. You move to sentence construction, which is putting up words together to actually make a sentence. Then from sentence, you get to speak. From speaking, you get to communication. From communication, you get to conversation and fluency. Okay, that's basically how English stages flow. Okay, now we've started with the alphabet. Remember, we are rebranded. That is why I'm actually doing this video. We started with the alphabet, then we moved to digraph, which is the pairing of letters, that is the sound. And now we are on the third stage, which is words formation, where we have to put the sounds together to actually construct a word. If you're just joining me, try studying based on the outline I've given you, the step by step you need to follow. You need to start with studying the alphabet, then move to the digraph, which is the sound. Then from the sound, you move to construction of words. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at word family. We're going to be using the word family we have in English language to actually construct two-letter words. We're going to be constructing two-letter words today, basically. Okay, so we're going to do the A, the E, the I, the O, and the U, because these are usually where we have confusion in terms of the long vowel sound and the short vowel sound. So we're going to see letter A, letter E, letter I, letter U, letter O. We're going to see all of them. So today we're going to begin with letter A. We have list of sounds here, and these sounds basically are what you can use to form three-letter words. Okay, we can use this sound to construct a lot of three-letter words. If you're just joining me, check out our other videos. You're going to see we actually have this sound. Yeah, this is actually the flip back of our Ba Baby Boo Boo. If you look at this very well, it is the flip back of Ba Baby Boo Boo. So if you have seen that video, if you've watched that video, then this would be easier for you to understand. So let's go into it now. We have a word family. We are focusing on the A, and this is how we're going to be doing it for today's own. We're going to be picking alphabetically here to make three-letter meaningful words out of all this we have on the board. Okay, so are you ready? Let's do this. Now the very first one, if I add A here, can it make sense? No. What about B? Can it make sense? No. What about C? Yes, C can. So if I add the K sound here, I'm going to have K-ab. K-ab, that's cab. Okay, now what about D? I have dab. Now I'm focusing on making meaningful three-letter words. That is what I'm creating. But you can make up this, like get every of what we have here in terms of sounds and words. Okay, like you do it alphabetically without missing any letter except the vowel letters. I am focusing on creating two-letter meaningful words. You can do the both sound and words. Okay, so let's go. I have dab. So E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. I have lab. Okay, now we move to M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. I have tab. Tab. Okay, we have U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have cab, dab, lab, tab. Okay, so look for any other one that we didn't add. You can actually add it to complete it. Okay, now we go to the next one. We add the B. We have bad. Okay, C, no. D, we have dad. Okay, we move to E, F, G, dad. H, had. Okay, I had. I, J, K, L, we have lad. All right, and to M we have mad. Okay, we move to N, O, P, we have bad, and to R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So this is what I get. You can as well try to see if there is anyone we are missing. You fix it. Remember, it is in practice that you become perfect. So you have to practice alongside with me. So let's see the G. We have G, B, we have bag. Okay, this is the ag, bag. Okay, we add E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, we have nag. Okay, we go to O, P, Q, R, we have rag. Okay. Now S, we have sag. All right. We have T, we have tag. All right. We move to U, V, W, we have wag. Okay. And X, Y, and Z. Please ignore the noise on my background. The children are actually on meet and break, so they make a lot of noise. So just ignore the noise. Pay attention to what's going on. Now we have the arm. Arm. Okay. Alphabetically, we have BAM. Okay. But arm. BAM. Cam. Dam. We have dam. Okay. All right. We have E, F, G, H. We have ham. Okay. I, J, K, L, lamb. Okay. Mam, nam. O, P, pam. Q, ram. We have ram. Okay. We can have Sam, but Sam is actually an abbreviation for Samuel. Let's just leave it there. We have Tam. Okay. For T, we have U, W, X. We have yam. All right. Yam. That's yam. So we have bam, dam, ham, ram, sam, tam, yam. Okay. Now to An, alphabetically we have ban, B. We have can, C. We have D, E, F. We have fan. Okay. We have G, H, I, J, K, L, M. We have man. Okay. And N, O, P. We have pan. All right. We move to Q, R. We have ran. Okay. S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, now to this one, we have the up. With C, we have cap. Because with B, we have back, which is not meaningful, but you can add that to your sound. Do this alphabetically, extract your sounds, then extract your 3-letter words. That's what I said. Okay, we have cap, dap, E, F, G. We have gap. Okay. H, I, J, K, L. We have lap. Okay. We equally have M, map. We have N, nap. Okay. All right. We have O, P, Q, R, S, T. We have tap. All right. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So we have cap, gap, lap, map, nap, tap. Please, if you're just joining me, make sure to write this out. If you are in this channel and you are trying to practice this with me, make sure you are writing these 3-letter words, okay? We're going to be constructing 3-letter sentences with this, so make sure to write them down. You write your sounds in a separate book, you write your words in a separate book. I have given you 2-letter words, now we are on 3. Okay, so I have cap, gap, lap, map, nap, tap. I am giving you this way so that you can actually practice and master this. Okay, now we move on. All right, and to arts. We have bat, cat. Okay, we have bat, cat. All right, we have fat. Okay, we have hat, or H, hat. We have I, J, K, L, M, mat. Okay. We have N, O, P, pat. Okay, this pat for Patrick is not actually a meaningful word. We take it out. Okay, we have Q, R, rat. R for rat. Okay, so we have bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, and rat. Now on the AY, the A, okay, we have B, bay. Okay, this is bay. All right, we have C, no, day. Okay, we have day. Okay, E, F, G, H. We have the hay. Okay, we have hay. All right, I, J, K, L, M. We have the May. This is May. The N, the nay. Okay, we have the O, P, pay. We have pay. Okay, we have Q, R, ray. We have ray. Okay, we have S, say. We have T, and we have U, V, W, way. Okay, we have way. We have X, Y, and Z. Okay, so we have be, de, he, me, ne, pe, re, se, and way. Okay, be, de, he, me, ne, pe, re, se, way. Knowing this in this format will help you to easily pronounce this word. Okay, you have cap, dap, lab, tab. You just pay attention to what you are adding here. K ab, da ab, l ab, ta ab. Okay, cab, dab, lab, tab. B add, d add, h add, l add, m add, pa add. Bad, dad, had, lad, mad, pad. Now, if you've not watched the video of our alphabet recitation where we recited this alphabet in 2 ways, go and watch it because it's going to aid you to pronounce these letters the way I am doing right now. Okay, now we have b-ag, bag, na-ag, nag, rag, sag, tag, wag. This is a wag. This is W. We have bam, dam, ham, ram, sam, tam, yam. Okay, ban, can, fan, man, pan, ran. We have cap, gap, lap, map, nap, tap. Now here we have bat, cat, fat, hat, mat, rat. And to this place, bay, day, hey, may, nay, pay, ray, say, way. You can see how it rhymes. So this will aid you to actually pronounce with ease. Okay, so these are the list of 3-letter words we can construct based on a word family. Okay, so make sure to write this down so that when we begin to construct sentences using them, it will be easy for you to pronounce. All right. Okay, I believe you actually benefited 1 or 2 from today's class. If you're seeing me for the first time, you're so welcome to the channel. Right here, we do a lot of stuff. We learn how to read, how to write, how to speak, like how to communicate. Don't forget to stay safe. See you in our next one. Bye.